somebody else has to come get you out. That's stuck. Okay, you'll. Okay. I just got a tire split all over.
Lâche ta sacoche puis chauffe ton char! La petite bonne femme, elle fouille dans sa sacoche, câlisse.
hit my truck. You hit my truck, though.